From an automatic mist-based sanitizer for use while entering office to ultraviolet device that can destroy the genetic material of COVID-19, the Defense Research and Development Organization introduced these two new technologies on Friday that are aimed at preventing the spread of the coronavirus. The ultraviolet device, which is handheld, can disinfect office and house objects like chairs, files, and food packets. The Defense Ministry said it also comes as a box which has been designed to disinfect personal belongings such as mobile phones, files, and wallet. The DRDO Center for Fire, Explosive and Environment Safety, Delhi, has developed an automatic mist-based sanitizer dispensing unit. The Defense Ministry said it is a contactless sanitizer dispenser which spray alcohol based hand sanitizer for use at the entry of buildings and office complex. The unit was manufactured with the help of Royd's Lab Private Limited, Noida. One unit has been installed at the DRDO Bhavan in Delhi. The unit can be used for sanitization of hands at entry and exit to hospitals, malls, office buildings, residential buildings, airports, metro station, railway station, bus station, and critical installations. The product is also expected to be very useful for entry and exit of isolation and quarantine centers, the ministry said. The sanitizer operates without contact and is activated through an ultrasonic sensor. A single fluid nozzle is used to generate aerated mist to dispense the hand drop sanitizer. It sanitized the hands with minimum wastage. It is easy to install the system as wall mountable or on a platform as an indication of operation and let eliminates the spray, the ministry said. Meanwhile, the Defense Institute of Psychology and Allied Science and the Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Science, both DRDO laboratories in Delhi, have designed and developed ultraviolet C light based sanitization box and a handheld UVC device. The UVC consists of a shorter, more energetic wavelength of light. It is particularly good at destroying genetic material in COVID-19. The radiation warps the structure RNA, which prevents the viral particles from making more copies of themselves. The UVC kills microbes quickly. The handheld device disinfects office and household objects like chairs, files, postal deliveries, items, and food packages. These measures can reduce the transmission of coronavirus, the ministry said. The UVC box is designed for disinfecting personal belongings like mobile phones, tablets, pursue currency, and the cover of office files. COVID-19 virus will be deactivated by using UCV lamps in 1 minute when placed equidistantly in the box, the ministry said.